What if I told you that nearly 70% of major engine failures are preventable, yet most drivers still wait until something breaks before taking action? Every year, drivers spend billions of dollars on engine repairs that could have been avoided with a simple 10 minutes monthly habit. The scary part is, your engine doesn't fail instantly. It slowly wears down, silently, month after month, until one day, it's too late. But here's the good news. With just a few smart checks every month, you can dramatically extend your engine's life from 200,000 miles to 500,000 miles and save thousands in repairs. In this video, we are going deep into 13 monthly habits that smart drivers follow to extend their engine life. Let's start with one of the simplest habits. Habit number 1, visual inspection under the hood. A monthly visual inspection under the hood is one of the most effective ways to prevent expensive engine damage before it starts. When you open the hood, you are essentially checking the health condition of your entire engine system without tools. Look around for any oil stains, coolant residue, cracked hoses, or loose wires. Most engine failures don't happen suddenly. They build up slowly, and your car gives visible warning signs. For example, small oil leaks around gaskets or seals may look harmless, but if ignored, they can gradually drain engine oil and lead to complete lubrication failure. In severe cases, low oil pressure can destroy internal engine components, resulting in repair costs between $2,000 to $6,000 or even full engine replacement. Also, check for burnt smells or unusual dirt buildup, which often indicate hidden issues. The more familiar you become with your engine bay, the faster you will notice something unusual. Professional mechanics rely heavily on visual checks before even using tools. This is your first and most powerful defense against expensive breakdowns. Habit number 2, comprehensive fluid level and viscosity analysis. The lifeblood of your engine is its lubrication, and a monthly check goes far beyond simply looking at the dipstick level. Start by checking the engine oil level and its viscosity feel between your fingers. You must analyze the color, smell, and consistency of the oil to ensure the additive package is still providing adequate shear stability. If the oil appears milky, it may indicate a coolant breach, while a strong fuel odor suggests blow-by or injector issues that dilute the oil's protective film. Statistics show that roughly 75% of engine wear occurs during the initial startup phase, and ensuring your oil is at the optimal level and free of contaminants is the only way to mitigate this friction. Proceed to the coolant reservoir to ensure the level is between the min and max marks, as a low level can lead to localized hotspots in the cylinder head that cause warping. Furthermore, checking the transmission and brake fluid levels monthly prevents hydraulic pressure loss, which can lead to catastrophic internal component slippage or failure under high load conditions. Habit number 3, engine air filter condition check. Your engine breathes just like you do, and a clogged air filter is like trying to run while breathing through a blocked mask. The engine air filter ensures clean airflow into the combustion chamber, and when it becomes clogged, it directly affects engine efficiency and performance. A restricted air filter forces the engine to work harder, increasing fuel consumption and causing incomplete combustion. If ignored for long periods, dirty air filters can contribute to MAF sensor failure repairs costing $200 to $400. Reduced airflow can also increase fuel consumption by up to 10%, resulting in long-term fuel losses of hundreds of dollars annually. The good news is, checking the engine air filter takes less than 2 minutes. Just remove it and hold it against light. If light doesn't pass through easily, it's time to clean or replace it. This low-cost maintenance step prevents both performance loss and unnecessary fuel expenses. Habit number 4, precision tire pressure and tread geometry. The contact patch between your tires and the road is the most critical factor in vehicle handling and braking efficiency. Every month, use a high-quality digital gauge to check the PSI in all 4 tires, including the spare, while they are cold to ensure accuracy. According to engineering data, underinflation by just 10% can significantly increase rolling resistance, leading to premature shoulder wear and a measurable 3% drop in fuel economy. Additionally, inspect the tread depth using a professional depth gauge, or the penny test, to ensure you have at least 2/32 of an inch of remaining rubber. Uneven wear patterns often serve as an early warning sign for alignment issues or suspension bushings that have exceeded their service life. Consistent monitoring ensures that the tire maintains its designed footprint, providing maximum lateral grip during emergency maneuvers. Habit number 5. Thermal management and coolant integrity. Heat is the primary enemy of engine longevity, making the cooling system your most critical line of defense against warped heads and blown gaskets. During your monthly inspection, check the coolant reservoir level while the engine is cold and inspect the fluid for clarity and proper pH balance. Over time, coolant becomes acidic and can lead to electrolysis. Use a simple refractometer or test strip to ensure the glycol-to-water ratio remains at the ideal 50-50 balance to prevent internal electrolysis. Inspect the radiator cap seal for any signs of cracking or hardening, as a failure to maintain pressure will lower the boiling point of the mixture, leading to localized hotspots. Modern engines operate within very narrow thermal windows, so identifying a slow leak or a degrading hose today can save you from a total engine meltdown on the highway. Habit number 6. Battery integrity and voltage stability. The lead-acid, or AGM battery, is the heart of your vehicle's electrical system, yet it is often ignored until the car fails to crank during a cold snap. Monthly maintenance involves inspecting the terminals for signs of creeping corrosion, which manifests as a white or bluish powdery substance that increases electrical resistance. Use a stiff brush and a neutralizing solution to clean the terminals, ensuring a metal-to-metal connection that prevents voltage drops during high amperage draws. Engineering data suggests that consistent terminal maintenance can extend a battery's functional lifespan by up to 20% by reducing the workload on the alternator, which are clear indicators of an overcharging issue or internal plate degradation. It is also wise to check the battery's resting voltage with a multimeter. A healthy battery should read approximately 12.6 volts. If the reading drops below 12.2 volts, the battery is only at 50% charge and requires immediate attention to avoid being stranded. Habit number 7. Optical clarity and safety signaling. A monthly audit of your vehicle's lighting system is essential for both visibility and legal compliance on the road. With the ignition on, cycle through the high and low beam headlights, turn signals, hazard lights, and fog lamps to ensure no filaments have burned out. Pay close attention to the headlight lenses themselves. If you notice any yellowing or hazing, research shows that oxidation can scatter light output and reduce effective nighttime visibility by as much as 70%, creating a significant safety hazard. Cleaning these lenses ensures that the beam pattern remains sharp and focused, adhering to the original engineering specifications of the light housing. Beyond the bulbs, check the lens seals for moisture buildup, which can lead to electrical shorts or premature bulb failure due to thermal shock. Replacing a single bulb is a minor expense, but ignoring a dimming headlight can increase the risk of a nighttime collision by nearly 30%. Habit number 9. Positive crankcase ventilation system audit. The PCV valve is a small but vital component responsible for removing harmful vapors from the crankcase and rerouting them into the intake manifold for combustion. Over the course of a month, oil mist and moisture can begin to gum up this valve, causing it to stick open or closed and disrupting the engine's internal pressure balance. A malfunctioning PCV system can increase internal crankcase pressure by 200 to 300%, which forces engine oil past the valve cover and main seals, creating expensive leaks. Furthermore, a stuck-open valve allows excessive oil vapor into the intake, leading to a 10 to 15% increase in carbon buildup on the intake valves and piston tops. Monthly, perform a shake test on the valve to ensure the internal plunger moves freely, or inspect the vacuum lines for collapse or oil saturation. Maintaining this flow is essential for preventing the sludge formation that kills high-mileage engines prematurely. Habit number 10. Listen for unusual engine sounds. Most drivers ignore one of the most powerful diagnostic tools they have, their ears. Your engine has a normal sound, a smooth and consistent rhythm that you get used to over time. But when something starts to go wrong, the engine changes its voice before it completely fails. A ticking noise might indicate low oil pressure or valve issues, while a knocking sound could mean serious internal damage like worn bearings. Grinding or rattling noises can signal loose components or failing parts that need immediate attention. The key is to listen every month and notice any new or unusual sounds that weren't there before. Catching these early can turn a major repair into a minor fix, saving you a huge amount of money. Many drivers only react when the noise becomes loud and obvious, but by then, the damage is already severe. Paying attention monthly gives you an early warning system that most people completely ignore. Habit number 11. Fuel system integrity and injector flow analysis. Modern gasoline direct injection engines operate at extremely high pressures, often exceeding 2,000 pounds per square inch, making them highly sensitive to fuel quality and injector cleanliness. Monthly, you should inspect the fuel lines for any signs of weeping or fuel sweat, and consider the use of a high-quality polyether-amine detergent cleaner if you are not using top-tier certified fuel. Clogged fuel injectors can reduce fuel atomization efficiency by as much as 20%, leading to hot spots in the combustion chamber that can melt spark plug electrodes or damage piston rings. Data indicates that engines running with clean injectors maintain a more consistent stoichiometric ratio, preventing the unburnt fuel from washing oil off the cylinder walls. This monthly focus on fuel chemistry ensures that your injectors maintain a crisp, conical spray pattern for optimal combustion and power delivery. Keeping the fuel system pristine is a low-cost habit that guards against the $1,200 cost of professional injector replacement or fuel rail repair. Habit number 13. Underbody leak inspection. Checking under the vehicle for leaks is one of the simplest yet most powerful diagnostic habits. Fluid leaks often indicate early-stage mechanical failure that can escalate quickly. Engine oil leaks can lead to lubrication loss, resulting in engine damage costing $2,000 to $6,000. Similarly, coolant leaks may cause overheating and head gasket failure, costing $1,200 to $2,500. Therefore, even small leaks should never be ignored because they worsen over time. Identifying fluid color helps determine the source of the issue. This simple habit acts as an early warning system for expensive mechanical problems. Here's the reality. Most car owners don't lose money because of bad cars. They lose money because of missed habits. A few minutes every month doing these checks can literally be the difference between a healthy engine and a $5,000 repair bill. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing car maintenance tips and tricks.